Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fourth Clip, where I post how to guide. Today's video is on how to add link to your Facebook account. That's adding a link to your bio where you can get customers, and maybe you can add your YouTube channel just like mine on your Facebook account. So the first step is to get the normal Facebook. You can get it on the Play Store or the App Store. That's you download the normal Facebook and not the Facebook. I'm now opening our Facebook app. We are opening our Facebook app. Having logged in your Facebook account, you click your profile picture, the one close to the feed post where you can post your Facebook feeds. You click on the profile picture. Having clicked the profile picture, you click the edit profile icon. You click the edit profile icon. You scroll downwards. As you can see, you see links. You see link. So you click the edit option in the category of links. So you click edit. You click edit. Here we are. So we have two categories here, two options where we have the social links and the website. So the social link is where you select the platform, the platform of your link. It can be Instagram, it can be WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. So I'll just click the add social link where you see it. So you select the platform, click platform. Select the platform. So as you can see here, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, WeChat, Pinterest, SoundCloud, and so much more. So you just select the platform where you want. Let me just click Instagram because I already copied my Instagram. And after clicking and selecting Instagram, so you input your username. So let me input my username. My username is King Fortress official. Having done that, you add the website. So this option website is that's your Instagram profile link URL. So you copy your Instagram profile URL and paste it here. Paste it in the website address. So I've already copied my Instagram profile URL. So here it is. So I've added my Instagram username, which is King Fortress Official, and I did copy my profile URL from my Instagram. So I pasted it here. It's the one below where you see https://instagram.com King Fortress. So I haven't done that, so I'll click the save option on the top right corner. Click save. So it's saving. So as you can see, it will be public. So you can decide to add it to private if you so wish. So this is the end result. As you can see the links on my bio. So look on my bio right here. Look on my bio. So you can see the links, my Instagram link, and the Fourth Clip, my YouTube channel, and the link all appeared on my profile. So I can get more clicks, more subscribers to my YouTube channel, and more followers on my Instagram account just by adding the link to it. So you can also add more links, like you can add your TikTok profile link here on your Facebook account. So you just continue the step. You add social link, you choose the platform. If it's TikTok, you click TikTok, you click your username, you add the profile URL.